how to change date on Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, on your remote, press the menu button. In menu, go to settings. In settings, go to system. In system, go to time. Here in time, okay, go to date and time. And now you can see here the date and time. So if you want to change the date on your Devant Smart TV, okay, you'll have to do is disable the auto synchronization. So by switching off the switch button on the right side of this to change the date. Okay, now you can change the date. So for my example, I change into December 29. Okay, here, this December 29, 2024. This is a example only. And after you set the date, okay, you'll have to do is press OK button to save. And after you change the date, tap the confirm button to save. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed the date on Devant Smart TV.